County in central Arkansas, Yell County in central Arkansas, until 9:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated an area of thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall along a line extending from near Toccoa to 4 miles southeast of Polk. PLLK, County Fairgrounds. Doppler radar indicates 1 to 2 inches of rain have fallen over parts of the warned area in the past 2 hours with additional heavy rain expected. Flash flooding is likely to